There you go. Perfect cheese sauce. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, something really simple I think everybody should know, and I've had many requests for: how to make a bog standard cheese sauce. Now, a lot of us just take it for granted, but yes, I do realize that people are starting to cook, so this is going to help you. We got a pan, and we want to be going in there with about 2 tablespoons of butter. Want a flame on, not too high, we're not trying to brown the butter, nice and steady. Now for the cheese sauce, we're going to make the bog standard type bechamel to start off with. Chuck in the cheese and then they call it a mornay. However, forget all that. Butter in the pan, nice and gently, stir it round, start to melt it. Now a rule of thumb is, if it's 2 tablespoons of butter, it's 2 tablespoons of flour. But don't worry, it's not critical. And our butter's not completely melted there, look, but it makes no difference. In there, and I'm going to use heaped tablespoons, because I always do everything heaped. Start to cook off your flour. All we're doing is cooking the rawness out of the flour. Now, it's a simple process. This is nothing to get panicked about. The flame is not too high. We don't need a high flame. We want the rawness out of the flour. See, it's easy. You know, people do this with a wooden spoon, and I do as well, but use a whisk right from the get-go. And to that, we want to add about that much. About 500 mils of milk. So you just give it a stir. Now, it will thicken. It has to thicken. It's flour. Season to taste. Me, pepper. A little bit of pepper. I'm not bothered about using salt. You can always salt up afterwards. Now what we're trying to do is just bring this up without boiling it over, nice and gently, and then we're going to chuck some cheese in. I'm also adding some mustard. Now you can add Dijon mustard if you want to go French, or you could add English mustard. I like Coleman's. In fact, you could add anything. You know, if you wanted to chuck American mustard in, you could do. It's just a bit more sour. And you can start to feel it when it starts to thicken. It has like a glossy feel as you're stirring with your whisk. That is starting to thicken now. So now we have to watch what we're doing. We don't want it to burn. I'm just going to go in there with 1 teaspoon of Coleman's mustard. Now it's not, I repeat, not going to put a big huge mustard flavour through there. But it does give a nice umami type background flavour, which is delicious. And can you see we've got this thick? Now I'm going to take that just a little bit further, just to show you there is no panic. We're going to take it so it goes too thick. I mean, that's perfect. But we're going to take it so it goes a bit too much. So just keep it going. Or don't you keep it going, I'll keep it going. So we're getting to the stage now where it is too much. A little bit more milk. In there, thin it down. You can use water as well, but because we're using milk, stir the milk in. And there we've got this lovely Beautiful sauce. However, it's not a cheese sauce unless you put cheese in and let it melt in there. Now it's a cheese sauce. Again, with the cheese, we're using bog standard cheddar today. It's a standard type cheese sauce. You use any melted cheese that you normally use, not a problem. There you go, perfect cheese sauce. Flame off, use it like you would normally use it, whether you're going to use it in lasagna or anything like that, over potatoes, over fish, anything where you want a cheese sauce. That is a perfect cheese sauce. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, share, tell your friends how you learned to make cheese sauce. There you go. Catch you in the next video.